Hello, my name is Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and today we're going to talk about natural approaches to prostate health. The prostate is a gland that sits just below the bladder and just above the rectum, and its main job is to produce fluids that move the sperm in the body, and also it acts as a filter to remove toxins from the fluid that carries the sperm. The prostate can become enlarged, or it's called BPH, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, due to too many toxins in the body, because the gland is also responsible for filtering out toxins. Or it can become inflamed due to toxins or other kinds of systemic inflammation in the body. That's prostatitis. And we've developed alternative approaches to take care of the prostate. First is the diet. We recommend that you follow a therapeutic diet for a minimum of 10 days before you're going to start seeing results. 35 days is even better, and we have a program that you can follow in my book, 10 Days to Optimal Health. So that can also be found on our website, optimalhealthnetwork.com. Also, you can use therapeutics like you'll find in Ortho Molecular's Prostatrol Forte. Zinc is really important for the prostate. Selenium, copper, saw palmetto, nettle root, and pygeum bark all give therapeutic benefit to the body to help the prostate be at its best. We've also found that essential oils are great used in the colon, because put into in a suppository into the rectal area, essential oils like our BPH essential oil blend or our prostate essential oil blend provide a healing and a decrease of inflammation, or even a decrease of the size of the prostate gland. And we've been working with those essential oils in the colon for prostate health for decades now, and they absolutely provide the kinds of therapeutic benefit that you might be looking for. For the suppositories with the essential oils, we recommend using 5 to 10 drops of the essential oils in the suppository and put into the rectal area once a day, probably at bed, to keep the therapeutics in there overnight. Essential oil suppositories are especially effective when they're used alongside Optimal Health Network's Enema Series, which is a 3-step process of colon cleansing, but it also provides therapeutics that are going to be beneficial to the prostate, especially our Made for Enema soap, frankincense and myrrh, rich in butyric acid, and also those essential oils are very beneficial to the prostate. So trying the Enema Series when you have prostate issues can also be highly beneficial. So if you have any issues with your prostate, whether that's frequent urination or an enlarged prostate or high PSA numbers, we can absolutely assist you to optimize your prostate health. Like I had said, we've worked with many, many men over the last decades, and we can help you. I do consultations, which you can sign up for under our services tab on the website, or you can give us a call at 608-242-0200. And we are here to help, and we know that you can reach your health goals. Thank you for watching.